And that is the journey. From the humble cost of a single loop, all the way to structures that reason about billions of items they never even store. Just look at how far the very same few ideas carried us. Cut the problem down. Don't repeat your work. Pick the right structure. And trade a little to gain a lot. Data structures and algorithms are not a set of facts to memorize. They are a way of seeing. A sense for what is cheap and what is expensive, and how to turn the one into the other. Every fast program you will ever write, every model that trains in time, every query that returns before you can blink, it all rests on exactly these foundations. So go build something wonderful. And now you will know precisely why it flies. This has been the Data Structures and Algorithms course from Datarekha.